Hello world, and welcome back to the Science Show. I'm your host, Jerry Sponger, and today we'll be talking about magnetism.
Remember as a kid, when you would bring home a drawing and stick it to the fridge? That's magnetism. You know when you get a great grade at school and you want to come home and stick it on your fridge for everybody to see? Thanks to magnetism, that's possible.
Nice.
Do y'all know about the magnetic field? The magnetic field is a force around the magnet that attracts metals to it, like iron, copper, zinc, and aluminum.
Metals touching magnets temporarily become magnets and are able to attract other
In these two clips, it shows the magnetic field traveling through the magnet into the paper clips, and they are all sticking even though they're not connected to the magnet. What? Thank you boys on showing those great examples of how magnets work. And now off to John Darley explaining how magnets operate.
Hello everyone, my name is John Darnley and I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about the magnetic field. The magnetic field is the force around a magnet that will attract certain metals to it. It will also push or pull other magnets to it depending on which way the poles are facing. And that is just a little bit on the magnetic field.
In this clip, the color red on the compass represents north. So when the south pole of the magnet goes into the middle, it attracts the north side of the compass. This clip shows opposites attract each other and the same poles do not, and they will not connect to each other.
Wow!
Thank you, John Darley, for explaining the magnetic field and for those really cool examples that were just shown. Now to Grayson to explain more about how magnets work and what they're attracted to.
What's up guys, it's Grayson and I'm back with another segment of the Science Show. Today we're going to be talking about the two types of materials that are attracted to magnets. First type is paramagnetic materials. They're only slightly attracted and they don't have much of a magnetic pull. And the second kind is ferromagnetic materials. They include nickel, iron, cobalt, and steel. They're really attractive. They're the main ones you think of when you think of magnets.
Wait.
Well, that's it for today, folks. Make sure to tune in next week for Will It Levitate?
I'm like, hey, what's up?